Good evening and welcome to News 24. This is Shahrina Wahid with the top news of the day. Bangladesh has reached grim records in both COVID-19 deaths and new cases, with 164 fatalities and 9,964 cases counted over a 24-hour period. At the same time, the country saw record identification rates of coronavirus, 29.30 in the last 24 hours, according to the latest press release of Health Department. So far, a total death toll from the disease to 15,229 and a total of 9,54,881 people have been identified in the country. Patient pressure in hospitals have increased several folds, and the oxygen crisis is growing with each patient. The nationwide severe lockdown has been extended another week. According to the notification issued by the Cabinet Division on Sunday, the pre-announced restrictions will remain in force till 12 midnight on July 14. Meanwhile, on the fifth day of the lockdown, the city dwellers saw traffic jam. On some roads, the law and order forces have been struggling to control the traffic jam. At present, 50% of the patients identified with corona are from rural areas, according to the Health Department. The Director General of the company said that the vaccine registration process will be resumed this week by setting the age limit at 35 years. And the agency's chief scientific officer said research would begin soon on whether those who missed the second dose of estrogen could be given another vaccine. Collecting vaccines with the highest priority for the country is a clear reflection of the commitment of the Sheikh Hasina government to the people of the country. League General Secretary Obaidul Qadir said this in the briefing at his official residence in the morning. On the other hand, Khondokar Mosharraf Hussain, a member of the BNP Standing Committee, said the government should resign, acknowledging responsibility for the failure to deal with corona. He also demanded the announcement of a roadmap for the collection and distribution of vaccines. The former health minister said this at a virtual press conference on Monday afternoon. Meanwhile, Jatiyo Party chairman and deputy leader of the opposition, Ghulam Mohammad Qadir, has said that the situation in the corona is heading towards a dark future due to the failure of the Ministry of Health. He said in a video message on Monday that a year ago the Prime Minister had directed to set up ICUs in all districts. A few days of heavy rains and downpours have increased the risk of floods in many parts of the country. Although the water level in Feni and Sherpur has dropped, the flood situation remains unchanged in the northern districts. Victims have demanded government assistance in many places due to river erosion, loss of houses and crops. The Meteorological Office and the Flood Forecasting Center said heavy rains could inundate several areas next week. And that is all the news for today. Thank you for watching News 24. Please stay with us.